Hi there, I'm going to showcase 4 houses at Cabrilla in Ponte Vista in San Pedro. These 4 units, 4 houses are built by Meritage Homes. I'm going to showcase all these 4 units today. Okay, this is Meritage Home Residence 4. This is the 2025 square feet house, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. On the entryway, we have 1 bedroom, and a full bathroom down here. With a walk-in closet. Now let's go outside. So we have a garage, and then we go upstairs. On the second level, we have an open space with living area, dining area, a nice balcony next to the kitchen. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a fridge, microwave, stove, and a dishwasher, and also has a walk-in closet. Nice little area to keep all your computer, your chargers and stuff. And then you come on this side. So you have your a powder room on this side. So the second level has got kitchen, powder room, living area and dining area with a nice sized balcony. Which actually stretches from one corner to the other corner of the unit. Nice. And now we'll go to the third floor. So we have 1 bedroom downstairs on the first level and 3 bedrooms upstairs on the third level. This is your master, which has a small balcony overlooking the whole complex. This is your master bathroom, which comes with 2 vanities. I think it is like 60 inches vanity, a bathroom, and also has a walk-in closet here. High ceiling, really nice here, and also they are not painted white that normally builders do. This comes with a nice color. Okay, now we have a laundry on the same level, which is very convenient when you have small and young family, so you have kids. It's really convenient to have that here. You can create your sink here if you want. There's ample space for that, but this laundry comes here, and then you have rest of the 2 bedrooms here. This is bedroom number 3, which has got a reach-through closet, and bedroom number 4, which too also has a reach-through closet. Good size, high ceiling. All the rooms have got recessed lights, all of them actually. And then we have a 1 bathroom, which is for both these rooms. Beautiful house, and I'm going to showcase the other houses now.